Hi guys, John here with SandblastingMachines.com, and I am happy to announce we now carry a full lineup of Texcel Tex-MP Max air compressor hoses and Global Air King compressed air fittings. The Tex-MP Max series is a premium quality, multi-purpose hose used in applications for maximum oil resistance and higher working pressures. These non-conductive hoses can be purchased in 3/4 inch, 1 inch, 1.5 inch, and 2 inch ID by 50-foot lengths. The hoses include Global Air King 2-lug and 4-lug couplings that are either clamped or crimped on the pre-assembled hose. Global Air King fittings can also be purchased individually with male and female threads and are for air and water applications only. Texcel air hoses and Global Air King fittings can be found on SandblastingMachines.com by navigating to the compressed air category and choosing the compressor hose/fittings option. And for SandblastingMachines.com, I'm John, and thanks for watching.